Do you ever gaze up at the night sky and feel like the stars aren't as bright as they should be? Stick around to the end of the video to discover why this might be and how one small town in Japan is fighting back. In the heart of Japan, Bisei town might seem like any other small community, but it's making a big difference in the fight against light pollution. This quaint town is committed to preserving the beauty and integrity of the night sky, a feat that is far from easy in our modern light-filled world. So, what is light pollution, you ask? It's the excessive or misdirected artificial light produced by human activity. And it's not just about aesthetics. Light pollution has a range of negative effects on human health, safety, and even on other forms of life. It disrupts ecosystems, confuses migratory patterns of birds, and can even contribute to health problems in humans such as sleep disorders. Bisei town, however, is taking a stand. They've replaced all their public lighting with LEDs of 3000 Kelvin or less. This move has earned them the coveted Dark Sky International certification, marking them as a designated dark sky place. But the battle against light pollution doesn't stop at the town's borders. Despite Bisei's efforts, neighboring towns continue to use bright, higher temperature LEDs. These contribute significantly to light pollution, diluting the darkness and obscuring the starry sky. But there's hope yet. Japanese astronomers have been closely monitoring the effects of Bisei town's light pollution ordinances. Their findings: a significant reduction in light pollution within Bisei. This proves that change is possible, even in the face of seemingly insurmountable challenges. But the work isn't over. We must continue to identify specific sources of light pollution. This is crucial in finding ways to reduce light pollution in rural areas that are affected by larger metropolitan areas. While the night sky over Bisei town might still be affected by light pollution from nearby areas, their fight is a shining example of how we can all make a difference to continuously be enlightened. Like and subscribe.